In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to curve edges Affinity Photo. Curved corners instantly make graphics feel friendlier and more modern. And the good news is that Affinity Photo gives you both quick and precise ways to create them. Let's walk through it clearly so you can apply it to buttons, cards, photos, and more. Start by opening Affinity Photo and creating a new document, or open the project where you want rounded corners. Choose the rectangle tool from the toolbar on the left. With the tool active, click and drag on your canvas to draw a rectangle in the size you need. If you want a perfect square, hold Shift as you drag. Otherwise, size it freely. You can choose a fill or outline color if it helps you see your shape better, but color isn't required for rounding the edges. With the rectangle still selected, look to the context toolbar at the top of the screen and change the shape type to rounded. You'll see the corners soften immediately. Adjust the corner radius to control how pronounced the curve becomes. Smaller values give a subtle, tidy look, while larger values produce that pill-like silhouette. If you see corner widgets on the shape, you can drag them directly for a visual on-canvas adjustment. Keeping all corners consistent is a safe default, but you can also unlink them to fine-tune each corner individually when your layout calls for it. For even more control, right-click the rectangle and choose Convert to Curves. This turns the shape into nodes you can edit. Now, when you select the shape, each corner has handles you can pull to refine the curvature and direction, perfect for asymmetrical designs or when one edge needs a unique contour. Zoom in as you adjust to keep edges smooth, and use snapping to maintain alignment and symmetry across multiple objects. A helpful workflow tip: duplicate your rounded rectangle before converting it to curves. That way you keep an easily adjustable version as a backup. And that's it. Two reliable ways to curve edges in Affinity Photo, from quick rounded corners to precise custom shaping.